Welcome to our guide on contacting Picsart support through the app. Whether you're facing technical issues, have billing inquiries, or need assistance with your account, reaching out to their support team is straightforward. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Once it loads, look at the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings to open the app's configuration options. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Help Center. After that, in the Help Center, scroll down and tap on Submit a Request. You'll be directed to a form where you can detail your issue. Now choose the appropriate category that best describes your concern, such as Technical Issue, Subscription and Payments, or Community and Challenges. Following that, enter your email address, a brief subject line, and a detailed description of your issue. Providing as much information as possible will help the support team assist you more effectively. Additionally, you may select your platform, iOS, Android, web, and provide your Picsart username. Including your username is optional, but can be helpful for account-related issues. Finally, if you have any relevant screenshots or files that can assist in resolving your issue, you can attach them. Once everything is filled out, tap on Submit. By following these steps, you can ensure your concerns are addressed promptly,